Welcome to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you make money online. Are you ready to learn the secret hack to make $1,000 in just 1 week? Yes, you heard it right. $1,000 in a week with no experience needed. In this video, our goal is to show you a simple yet effective method to make a significant amount of money quickly. We understand that as a teenager, you may have limited options when it comes to earning money, but we are here to change that. Whether you want to save up for a new gadget, treat yourself to a shopping spree, or simply have some extra cash in your pocket, this video is perfect for you. We know that teens are always on the lookout for accessible income opportunities that don't require a lot of time or effort. Imagine being able to make $1,000 in just 1 week without having to work long hours or have any special skills. It's a dream come true, right? Get ready to be amazed as we reveal the step-by-step process that will lead you to financial success in no time. We promise that by the end of this video, you will have all the tools and knowledge you need to start making money right away. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Let's make $1,000 in a week together. Are you up for the challenge? But before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in my description for TubeMagic, the best all-in-one tool suite of AI to grow your YouTube channel. Understanding the secret hack. Are you ready to uncover the secret hack that can help you as a teen make $1,000 in just 1 week without any prior experience? Get ready to dive into the details of this game-changing method that will revolutionize the way you approach earning money online. Step 1. Setting up your online store. The first step in this secret hack is to set up your own online store. Whether you choose to sell handmade crafts, digital products, or drop-shipping items, having an online store is crucial for reaching a wide audience and maximizing your earning potential. Step 2. Marketing your products. Once your online store is up and running, the next step is to market your products effectively. Utilize social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising to reach potential customers and drive sales. By creating a buzz around your products, you can attract more buyers and increase your chances of making $1,000 in a week. Case study. Sarah, a 16-year-old aspiring entrepreneur, used this secret hack to sell her custom-designed stickers online. By leveraging Instagram influencers and running targeted Facebook ads, she was able to generate over $1,200 in sales within just 1 week. Advantages of using this hack. 1. Quick results. Unlike traditional job opportunities that may take weeks or months to see significant earnings, this secret hack promises quick and achievable results. With the right strategy and execution, you can make $1,000 in a week and kickstart your journey to financial independence. 2. Flexibility. As a teen with busy school schedules and extracurricular activities, this hack offers the flexibility to work on your own terms. You can manage your online store and marketing efforts at your own pace, making it a convenient option for earning money without sacrificing your other commitments. Get ready to unlock the potential of this secret hack and start your journey towards making $1,000 in a week. With the right mindset and determination, you can turn your financial goals into reality in no time. Implementing the hack. Now that you understand the secret hack to make $1,000 in a week, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start implementing it in your own life. In this section, we will guide you through the practical steps you need to take to turn this money-making opportunity into a reality. Get ready to take action and watch your earnings soar. Step 1. Product selection and research. The first crucial step in implementing this hack is to carefully select the products you want to sell. Conduct thorough market research to identify trending products or niches that have high demand. Consider factors such as profit margins, competition, and target audience preferences to ensure you choose products that will sell well. Step 2. Setting up your online store. Next, it's time to set up your online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Customize your store with appealing visuals, clear product descriptions, and easy navigation to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Remember, a well-designed online store can significantly impact your sales and overall success. Common challenge. Many viewers may feel overwhelmed by the technical aspects of setting up an online store. Remember, there are plenty of tutorials and resources available online to guide you through the process step by step. Don't be afraid to seek help or ask questions if you encounter any challenges along the way. Step 3. Marketing and promotion strategies. Once your online store is live, it's time to focus on marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store and attract potential customers. Engage with your audience, showcase your products creatively, and offer promotions to entice buyers and boost sales. Take immediate action. Don't wait any longer to start implementing this secret hack in your own life. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can start earning $1,000 in a week. Remember, success comes to those who are proactive and willing to put in the effort. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch your financial goals become a reality. Maximizing earnings potential. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards making $1,000 in a week using the secret hack. Now let's explore some tips and strategies to help you, as a teen, maximize your earnings potential and potentially earn even more than $1,000 in a week. With the right approach and mindset, the sky's the limit when it comes to making money online. Scaling up for increased income. One effective way to maximize your earnings is to scale up the hack by expanding your product offerings or reaching a wider audience. Consider adding complementary products to your store, diversifying your product range, or exploring new marketplaces to attract more customers and increase sales. By continuously evolving and adapting your strategy, you can unlock new income streams and boost your overall earnings. Bonus tips to boost earnings. Implement upselling and cross-selling techniques to encourage customers to purchase additional products or upgrades. Offer limited-time promotions, discounts, or bundles to create a sense of urgency and drive sales. Leverage email marketing campaigns to engage with existing customers, promote new products, and encourage repeat purchases. Collaborate with influencers or brand ambassadors to reach a larger audience and increase brand visibility. Encouraging creativity and exploration. While the secret hack is a powerful tool for generating income, don't limit yourself to just one method. Encourage yourself to think creatively and explore additional income opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Whether it's starting a freelance gig, launching a YouTube channel, or monetizing your hobbies, there are endless possibilities to earn money online. Remember, success in the online world often requires experimentation, persistence, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. By staying proactive, open-minded, and dedicated to your goals, you can unlock your full earning potential and achieve financial success beyond your wildest dreams. So keep pushing the boundaries, stay motivated, and watch as your earnings soar to new heights. As we come to the end of this video on the secret hack to make $1,000 in a week with no experience needed, let's recap the key points discussed and inspire you to take action towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, the power to transform your financial future is in your hands. All you need to do is seize the opportunity and make it happen. Recap of the main steps. 1. Set up your online store and select profitable products to sell. 2. Implement effective marketing strategies to promote your products and attract customers. 3. Scale up your efforts, explore new opportunities, and continuously optimize your approach to maximize your earnings potential. Importance of starting now. The time to start is now. Don't delay implementing the secret hack and taking the first steps towards making $1,000 in a week. Every moment you wait is a missed opportunity to secure your financial independence and achieve your money-making goals. Remember, success favors those who take action and are willing to put in the effort to make their dreams a reality. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, tricks, and hacks to help you achieve your money-making goals. Hit the like button if you're ready to take on the challenge of making $1,000 in a week, and share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from this valuable information. Together, we can empower each other to reach new heights of financial success and create a brighter future for ourselves. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards making $1,000 in a week today, and watch as your financial dreams become a reality. Remember, the secret hack is within your reach. All you have to do is believe in yourself and take action. Let's make $1,000 in a week together. You've got this.